Hey, this is Gary from 3Bug Media, and today I want to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can apply it to your local business and use it for offline use. But before we get started, I just want to show you what affiliate marketing is in case you're not familiar. Say you're a business and you want to get more sales and you want to use affiliate marketing. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to approach other businesses or individuals that have their own built-in customer base or audience that are similar to yours, ones that you want to get as customers for your own business, and you say, okay, every customer that you send me that turns into a sale, I'll pay you a commission for. So what's going to happen is these affiliates that you recruit are going to do your marketing and advertising for you. They're going to send traffic and customers to your business or your website, and everyone that turns into a sale, you're going to pay a commission out to those affiliates. So whoever sent you that customer, you'll pay out an affiliate commission to that person or business at the end of the month. So I want to show you how you can apply this to offline use, because it's used a lot online but not really in offline use, and I've used it before and it works. It takes a little bit of time to set it up and a little educating other businesses on how it works and things like that, but once you get it set up, it's actually a very profitable channel and great marketing channel for your business. Now, when it comes to online marketing, Amazon.com is the biggest affiliate in the world, okay? Walmart does it too. Almost every online company has some sort of affiliate program going where they pay a small commission to people who go out and recruit and bring new customers for their business. So it's very popular. You just probably don't see it that much, and you probably don't see it too much online, offline, I mean. So first thing you want to do is you want to find serious affiliates with an audience that you want to reach. So that's probably going to be other businesses, but it could also be industry groups. It could be, maybe the local chamber of commerce or something like that. Anyone that has a group of people, a customer base that you want to tap into. Okay, and you want to find serious ones. Okay. One of the hardest parts of trying to set this up is trying to educate people that aren't familiar with affiliate marketing on how it works. So it's probably easy to get people to say, yeah, that sounds good. I'll do what I can. In the end, most of them aren't going to do anything for you. They're not going to do any kind of promotion. So you really need to spend some time making sure that they're serious, that they get it, and they're gung-ho to try to help you get more customers so they can get paid as well. So you want to start to, curate a list of these types of businesses and have them ready so you can go approach them. The next thing you want to do is you want to decide on what your offer is going to be and how much a customer is worth to you, so you know how much you can offer to pay an affiliate. Okay, so you definitely need to have an offer. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an offer that business can use to promote your business. And it needs to be a good offer because you want people to redeem it, right? If you have a crappy offer or you don't have any kind of offer, nobody's going to redeem it and you're not going to get any affiliate sales. So come up with a good offer. That might be a coupon code, first-time customer discount, maybe an introductory service or a trial period, things like that, and use that as your offer. Okay? So how do you calculate how much I should pay an affiliate? Well, just remember that the affiliate's going to be doing your marketing and advertising for you. And the best part is you don't have to pay them until you get paid. So there's no money out of your pocket up front in order to run an affiliate program. You only pay people after you get paid. Okay, so you want to make sure you factor in how much do I usually have to spend to acquire a new customer. Okay, so keep that in account. And you also want to figure out what's the lifetime value of my customer. Okay, so say your average sale is $100. But over the course of your relationship with a customer, they tend to buy 3 times. So that's $300. The lifetime value of a customer for you is $300. So take that into account when you're figuring out how much am I going to pay an affiliate, because you're not paying them on that one sale. You're paying them on the lifetime value of that customer. So if that customer is worth $1,000 to you over the course of 2 years, make sure you have a good payout, that's going to incentivize an affiliate to go out and recruit customers for you. Because if you don't give a good payout, what's going to happen is they're not going to be incentivized, encouraged to go out and recruit for you, and you're not going to get any sales. So it's going to be a waste of time. So make sure you have a good offer in place and you know how much, that you're going to be able to pay out to an affiliate where it's going to incentivize them to want to do it over and over again. Okay. Once you've done this, what you want to do is you want to print some direct mail postcards. Okay, you can have your, just like you're creating a direct mailer, have your business, have your offer on there. The one thing you're going to change on that is you can have a little spot on there where you can put an affiliate code in there. So every time you recruit a new affiliate, you can assign them a code, whatever the code's going to be. It doesn't matter as long as you can track it. And to start out with, what I would do is just use a permanent marker, or you can print little labels, put them on your postcard, and put those affiliate codes for each individual affiliate. So what's going to happen is these affiliates are going to promote these cards. You're going to give these cards to the affiliates, and they're going to use that to promote your business. When a customer redeems these cards at your business, or they call on the phone and you ask for the affiliate code on the postcard, they're going to give it to you. You're going to keep track of all those sales through those affiliate codes, and at the end of the month, you're going to collect all those postcards, you're going to track everyone who's redeemed those codes, and you're going to pay all of your affiliates out their commission. Okay, so it's simple as that. Okay, you want to incentivize, you want to find good affiliates, you want to have a good offer, you want to have a good payout that's going to incentivize them to, do this over and over for you. You want to have a trackable metric. The easiest way to do it is with a postcard with some kind of offer code, affiliate code on there, so you can track it. And make sure you pay your affiliates out every month. One of the questions you get with people who aren't familiar with affiliate marketing, their first question is, well, how do I know you're actually going to pay me? How do I know if I send you customers, you're not just going to take the money and tell me they didn't come from me and I didn't send you anyone? Well, the way I explain it to somebody like that is, I win when you win. When you don't win, I don't win. Because if I decide I'm going to try to cheat you and I'm not going to pay you, you're going to not want to send me more customers and do the work of marketing for me because I'm not paying you. So for a short-term win for me, I screwed you out of an affiliate commission, I've lost a good affiliate for life. So a good affiliate program really cherishes their top affiliates. They treat them like rock stars, because the more money they can send you, the more customers and money they can send you, the more money you're going to send them, and it keeps them happy and it keeps the cycle going. So there's really no incentive for me to try to not pay you, because paying you is the only way I can incentivize you to send me more customers. Okay, so that's usually how I explain it to somebody new to affiliate marketing. And with that said, make sure you always pay your affiliates. It's a lose-lose on every level if you don't pay them, because if you don't pay them, they won't do it for you again, and you'll lose that affiliate channel. And if word ever got out that you were cheating your affiliates, you will damage your reputation and never be able to run a program like this ever again. So like I said, affiliate marketing is a win-win for everyone. When you get paid, they get paid. So everyone wants to get paid. Everybody wins, everybody gets paid. Okay, so this is what affiliate marketing is. This may be new to you. What I suggest is, if you're interested in doing this, like I said, I've done this before. It does work. It only works if you find the right people. Okay, the vast majority of people will say yes. They won't do anything. They'll stick the postcards on their counter. They won't promote you. They won't do a thing for you. You want people that are proactively going to include your offer in the email marketing, tell people about it, educate their staff and their team on how to promote it, and things like that. Okay, so if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and online marketing in general, you can go to 3bugmedia.com. Thank you very much, and have a good day.